What's going on YouTube? In this video, I want to show you a couple Instagram ads that I found, and we're gonna go over together. We're gonna fix them together. And there's a couple of things that never do these mistakes whenever you create an Instagram ad or Instagram shout out. It's gonna be a live example of the ad that I found today, and I decided like, hey man, I gotta show it to you. So we're gonna go live together, fix this ad, and also I'm gonna be teaching you and just explaining a couple of things behind the human behavior of buying online. So it's gonna be like a tutorial how to actually create an ad that's gonna be congruent with your audience, with your people, and we'll go together over these ads. I'm gonna fix together, and I'm gonna be showing you how to create an Instagram ad and find a Instagram influencer. So it's gonna be tons of value. So guys, with that being said, let's just hop on the computer and let's get started. Alright guys, so as you see right now on the screen, there is a profile of one of the pages, the computer games pages, Dota 2, and I used to actually play this like 4 years ago, and so I was following this page, and today I was literally like scrolling through my Instagram stories, and I've noticed someone did shout out on this page. So right now we'll go over the ad that they did and what was absolutely like out of place. That please never do this because it just doesn't make any sense. And so if you're doing this shout out, just stop doing this because like it doesn't really make sense. And a lot of things I'm going to be showing today, this is going to help you out with how actually structure your ad. Also, you would figure out what is the best way to put your ad so people would actually will get out something from your ad, and they will most likely to click on your ad and go buy the product. Because so first thing, okay, let's see. I'm gonna be showing you right now the shout out. So look, so as you see, it says get it now, link in the bio. Kind of looks cool, right? Like a small shadow blade, kind of like a knife from Dota 2. But the thing is, like, look at this over. First thing that I want to point out is look at this. The top header, it says "Get it now" and two exclamation point, and then on the bottom, link in our bio, and again two exclamation point. So it feels like they're just screaming on people like get it now, like link in the bio. Like it doesn't have any scarcity. What it is, I mean, what is it the free plus shipping offer? Is it like 50% off? So nothing, they don't put any info why people should get it now, or like there is nothing that they build in this, take that people would, okay, I want this, I'm gonna get it now. There is no actually offer that will build in the people's head to actually go click or swipe up to go to the page. So this is number one mistake. So the thing is, what we could do better, for example, here, what I personally would do, I would say that this is the last one in stock, and we are giving away this one for little, like for $20. But we'll get to the pricing later. I just want to show that if you're doing this type of ad shout out, usually on top of the ad, you want to on top of right there, you want to say specify what kind of offer is it. For example, if it's like 50% off, and why are you giving this? Why are you doing this offer? Whether it's it's this is only 10 left, so we need to get rid of our stock clearance. Something that people would, okay, so it would make sense in their head that whenever they see the ad, they're like, okay, this is the last one, and given they're given a good deal, and this is the page, the topic I'm interested in, I'll probably get it. But not like just screaming on people like get it now, like link in our bio. So it doesn't really gives this it gives vibe that they're really like they're really like struggling with sales, and they want to like screaming at people like, hey, we gotta make sales, so go get it right now because it's the last one. So don't don't exaggerate with actually your scarcity and just trying to get people to your store. You gotta give them incentive. So usually, again, first thing you would change whether you do 50% off or 70% off, or if you do free plus shipping, you would say, hey, get it for free and just pay shipping. So this is first thing. So now we're gonna go and see the post. So this is how the post look like. It's, I don't know who did this post, but it's just nothing, no info. Usually you should put on the picture something on top. For example, this is again something as I was just discussed, something like it's the last one in stock, we're giving away like literally for $20, but actual price is more. But and look at the caption, it says limited edition Dota 2 Shadow Blade, handmade with amazing quality and perfection, very rare and collectible product, very limited inventory, only on sale for a short amount of time, link in the bio. That's all what they said, but it's fine, okay. The caption is not great, it's okay, right? But also you could get some, again, mention something, what is the price, why you're giving it away. But the main thing I want to show you what is doesn't really make sense. If we click here on the link and we're gonna open this, so look, they sell this product for $259. So I don't know where is this came from. Like for $259, they should selling this product just like a shutout. Like, who will buy out of the shutout product for $259? Like on shutouts, you want to test products like not like as high ticket as this product. Like literally, you want to test products that like around, I would say maximum like $60 is still, I wouldn't test this type of product, but maximum you can go over $60. But if you have high ticket products, you always want to run a webinar for that page and create a custom page for the product on a ClickFunnels. And this is the exact thing that a lot of like people make mistakes, that they doing shoutouts and selling products that no one will freaking buy this product for $260 on a Dota page. Plus, I guarantee this page probably follow kids, you know, from 18 to like 20 to 22 to 23. They would never, like, they wouldn't have even this much money to buy this type of product, even if they super passionate about this game. So this is the first thing which doesn't make any sense. So if we click here on this product, look, they have a couple of reviews. Now they have timer, and that's it. Look, they have 2 reviews, and they have a timer, and don't have any description, nothing. Okay, cool. They have verify, they have timer. But first thing, what you want to do is between this description, add more pictures. Also, perfectly works videos. So go on YouTube and find a video and just embed your video so people will see how the product look like in video. Next thing, put some time in the description. Literally, put some time. Find a good description. You can go on actually Amazon, find good description, and just put it there. But don't, like, literally, if I'm asking people, okay, how long did it take you to create a description? They say like 3 minutes, you know. But the thing is, like, if you are taking your time, if you're doing your ad, just be sure that spend at least 30 minutes to 2 hours and put together a really nice description. Put there a lot of pictures and videos, so people, whenever they scroll, it will feel like a landing page, not just, you know, like a, I don't know, it just I don't know, I don't have even words to describe how bad it is. Next thing, here they have a little like icons for the social media. It's okay. So this is the first thing, guys, that you want to make sure, do not sell this type of product, high ticket products on these kind of stores. So next thing that you can do, actually, I want to show you right now. So instead of selling that product for $259, you could literally go here on AliExpress and find this type of products that you can, like, literally for $1 or $10. And now imagine how much better your sales would be, because look, you can literally do free plus shipping and do this kind of hook keychain, and look, it costs you $1.69. You can do like free plus shipping and like set the shipping price like $8.95 and make like around $7 per one sale. Now imagine if 100,000 people would see this kind of shout out, how many people would get? Most likely way more like hundreds of people would be interested more in spend, get a free keychain that they're passionate about this game, instead of landing on the page, even if they would go from out of that post to the store, they would never spend just right away $259 on that type of product. So this is huge. Or literally, they could go, I know, take this keychain and again do free plus shipping. Or they can also do theirs, I know, this toy for $12. They can say, hey, this is the last toy, and they could price it for $25. And I guarantee people would buy this type of product if they would shout out on that page and make $25, and they would make $10 to $15 per product. So this is huge. I see this all the time when I'm scrolling on my Instagram stories, that a lot of people still do these mistakes, like do not sell high ticket products on Instagram shoutouts. Make sure that you are doing whether free plus shipping, or you are having a product price that reasonable, and you giving some type of explanation why the price is lower, or if it's 50% off. So it will click into people's head and they will understand, okay, this makes sense, I'll go check it out. Plus, if it's like that's something they're passionate about, and it's that product is actually congruent with that page. This is huge because a lot of people do not put the right product in front of the right audience. And the second thing, that they do not advertise the product on the right platform. This was the perfect example, that instead of they taking that high ticket product, that shadow bait, they could literally use, for example, they could use Facebook ads and drive traffic to a landing page with ClickFunnels, and then try sell it out there and make it better description, better put their video and other things. So in the next actual videos, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how we'll actually create together an ad. And also, if you didn't watch a previous video where I was actually showing how to find a hot selling products this summer, make sure to watch that video. It's huge, so don't miss out on that, because right now it's April, and it's picking up the summertime, and summer price going so well. So make sure to watch this video, because there's tons of value where I was going over exact price that you can jump right now and start making sales. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you still didn't subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the family, join the Entrepreneur Nation, and stay with us here for daily uploads, for daily videos on Shopify dropshipping, and how we grow it together as in one, a community. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.